Denied. A credit score nightmare. Sarah stared at the phone, her heart pounding. She had been waiting for this moment for weeks, hoping for good news. She just applied for an apartment, a place she had been dreaming about for months. It was perfect, spacious, sunny, and close to her dream job. She could already see herself living there, enjoying the convenience and comfort. Then the words hit her like a ton of bricks. Her excitement turned into dread. "We regret to inform you." The email continued, but Sarah could barely read the rest. The agent explained, "Your credit score is too low." Sarah's dream apartment vanished in an instant. She felt stuck, trapped by a number that seemed to control her life. This wasn't just about an apartment anymore, it was about her entire future and the opportunities she might miss. This was about her future. This is Sarah's story, but it could be anyone's. Sadly, it's a story repeated millions of times across the country. A low credit score can feel like a life sentence, affecting every aspect of one's life. It blocks access to loans, apartments, even jobs. The impact is far-reaching and often devastating. But what if there was a way out? What if there were steps you could take to improve your credit score? What if you could rewrite your credit story? Imagine turning your financial life around and opening doors to new opportunities. With the right knowledge and tools, it's possible to rebuild your credit and regain control of your future. Sarah's story doesn't have to end in despair. It can be a story of hope, resilience, and transformation. The power of a strong credit score. Unlock your dreams. We live in a world obsessed with credit scores. Lenders use them to assess risk. Landlords use them to screen tenants. Employers even use them for background checks. A good credit score is your golden ticket. It opens doors to lower interest rates. It can help you buy a car or even your dream home. A good credit score gives you financial freedom. But building a good credit score takes time. It requires discipline and smart financial choices. And let's face it, life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses, job losses, or medical bills can derail even the best-laid plans. Introducing Credit Boost AI, your personalized credit score hero. What if you could fast forward through the time and hassle of credit building? What if there was a way to boost your credit score quickly and easily? Introducing Credit Boost AI, a revolutionary new AI-powered tool that analyzes your financial data and identifies hidden opportunities to improve your credit score, often overnight. No more waiting months or years for your score to catch up with your potential. Credit Boost AI empowers you to take control of your financial future. Forget the days of complicated spreadsheets and confusing financial jargon. Credit Boost AI makes improving your credit score simple, fast, and accessible to everyone. How Credit Boost AI works, from data to decisions. This revolutionary tool is designed to transform the way you manage and improve your credit score. Credit Boost AI acts like your personal credit score expert, working tirelessly behind the scenes to optimize your financial profile. Imagine having a financial advisor who never sleeps, constantly analyzing your data to find the best ways to boost your credit. Here's how it works. 1. Secure data analysis. You securely connect your financial accounts to Credit Boost AI. This ensures that all your financial data is safely gathered in one place, ready for analysis. 2. AI-powered insights. Our advanced algorithms analyze your spending habits, credit utilization, and other key factors to identify areas for improvement. The AI looks at every detail, from your monthly expenses to your credit card usage, to provide a comprehensive analysis. 3. Personalized recommendations. Credit Boost AI generates a customized action plan with clear, actionable steps to raise your credit score. These recommendations are tailored specifically to your financial situation, ensuring that you get the most effective advice possible. 4. Track your progress. Monitor your credit score in real time and watch it climb as you implement Credit Boost AI's recommendations. You can see the impact of your actions immediately, giving you the motivation to keep improving. Credit Boost AI takes the guesswork out of credit building, providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. With Credit Boost AI, you are not just improving your credit score, you are taking control of your financial future. This tool empowers you to make informed decisions, leading to better financial health and stability. AI and credit scores, separating fact from fiction. let's address the elephant in the room, AI. We get it. The concept of artificial intelligence can be intimidating, especially when it comes to something as personal and important as your finances. The idea of artificial intelligence managing your finances might seem daunting, even a little scary. But here's the truth. AI is not here to take over your financial decisions or control your money. AI is simply a tool. Think of it as a superpowered calculator, one that can process massive amounts of data at lightning speed and identify patterns that humans might miss. It's like having a financial assistant that never sleeps, constantly analyzing data to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Credit Boost AI doesn't make decisions for you. Instead, it empowers you to make smarter financial choices by providing you with the information and insights you need. Imagine having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, one that can help you understand your credit score, suggest ways to improve it, and alert you to potential issues before they become problems. Your data is safe and secure with Credit Boost AI. We prioritize your privacy and use the latest encryption technology to protect your information. We never share your data with third parties. Your information is yours alone, and we are committed to keeping it that way. With Credit Boost AI, you can confidently navigate your financial journey, knowing that your data is protected and your financial decisions are informed by the best technology available. Witness the transformation overnight credit score miracles. Remember Sarah? The woman who was denied her dream apartment? Well, she decided to try Credit Boost AI. She connected her accounts, followed the personalized recommendations, and within 24 hours, her credit score jumped by 40 points. Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands of users have experienced dramatic credit score improvements with Credit Boost AI. From unlocking lower interest rates to finally qualifying for their dream homes, Credit Boost AI is transforming lives by empowering people to take control of their financial well-being. Real people, real results. Credit Boost AI success stories. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what real Credit Boost AI users are saying. I was skeptical at first, but Credit Boost AI exceeded my expectations. My credit score increased by 60 points in just a few weeks. I finally qualified for a mortgage and bought my first home. John, Texas. Credit Boost AI is a game changer. It helped me understand my credit score better and gave me the tools to improve it. I'm now debt-free and saving for my dream vacation. Maria, California. These are just a few of the countless success stories from people who have used Credit Boost AI to achieve their financial goals. Ready for your credit score revolution? Try Credit Boost AI today. Are you tired of feeling held back by your credit score? Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Credit Boost AI offers a free trial so you can experience the power of AI-powered credit building for yourself. There's no risk, just the potential for a brighter financial future. Join the thousands of satisfied users who are already experiencing the life-changing benefits of Credit Boost AI. The future of credit scores AI is here to stay. The financial landscape is evolving, and AI is leading the charge. Credit Boost AI is at the forefront of this revolution, using the power of artificial intelligence to make credit scoring fairer, faster, and more accessible for everyone. In a world where data is king, Credit Boost AI empowers you to harness the power of your own financial information to achieve your financial dreams. Beyond the score building a secure financial future, Credit Boost AI is more than just a credit score booster. It's a comprehensive financial wellness tool that helps you build a more secure future. From personalized budgeting tips to debt management strategies, Credit Boost AI provides you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your finances. Financial freedom is within reach. Credit Boost AI is your partner in achieving it. Join the Credit Boost AI community, empowering financial wellness. Join the growing community of Credit Boost AI users who are supporting each other on their journey to financial wellness. Share your success stories, get inspired by others, and access exclusive tips and resources to maximize your financial potential. Together we can rewrite the rules of credit scoring and create a fairer, more equitable financial system for everyone.